Lysosomes are oval in shape. Like this. They are also double membrane. Let us label them. Are they empty? No. They are filled with special type of enzymes which are hydrolyzing or the digesting enzymes. What is digestion? Digestion basically means breaking down. So, these enzymes are able to break down all complex molecules. Any foreign material that comes to lysosome, any complex molecule that comes, it breaks it down. It is like a chopper, it chops everything. Like in a company, there is so much of paperwork. What do they do with papers? Some of them can be very private also, but now they are not needed. If we keep accumulating, the whole house or the whole office will be full of papers. So, what do these days they do? They have paper shredders. It is a machine, you put paper in it, it is torn into very tiny pieces. So, it is like a shredder. Whatever waste or whatever poisonous substances come to it, it hydrolyzes them, breaks them. So, if it has such powerful enzymes, just imagine what will happen if it breaks open. All those enzymes will be in the cell and they will even eat up the cells. So, they are called suicidal bags. Just like your Bhopal gas tragedy. Now, that gas plant was for good, but when it damaged, when it started leaking that poisonous gas, what was the result is well known. So many lives lost, so many diseased people, so many unemployed people. So, just like that, like a gas plant, if this lysosome bursts, it can kill its own cell. So, it has to be again very well protected. So, that is why double membrane.